Let's learn the chain stitch. It's one of the most classic and elegant-looking embroidery stitches. Start at point 1. Bring your needle up. Then insert it back into the same point, just where you started. Make sure your needle doesn't catch the knot at the back, and don't pull the thread all the way. Leave a loop of thread like this. Now bring the needle up from point 3, just a little ahead. Make sure the thread loop stays under the needle. Then pull, and there's your first chain. To make the next chain, insert the needle into the end of the previous chain, the same point where you left the thread. Again, leave a loop, and bring the needle up from the next point. Pull it through the center of the loop, and there you go. That's your second chain. Keep repeating this process until your design is complete. So the technique is super simple. The first 2 stitches go into the same starting point. Then keep making loops and pulling the needle up through them from the next points. Once your thread is finished, or you have reached the end of your stitch, it's time to lock it. Just take the needle down outside the loop to secure the last chain. Now our chain stitch is ready. Secure the thread from the back and trim off the extra. Let's learn lettering with chain stitch. If your project has large size lettering, chain stitch works beautifully. You'll follow the exact same technique as before. Put the needle into the same point for the first 2 stitches, then bring it out slightly ahead through the center of the loop and pull. That's your chain. For lettering, you can use slightly smaller chains to get a cleaner finish. Just keep continuing this process until your entire letter is stitched. For curved lines, you can simply follow the curve with your chain stitches. And when you reach a sharp point, just lock your chain at that point and start a new chain from the next section.